China is making all-out efforts to ensure the nation's power supply after power outages halted factory production and hit families in some regions, amid calls for a better electricity pricing mechanism and improved energy structure. The power squeeze has compelled multiple provinces in China to implement power rationing, with factory operation hours limited and power usage capped. According to officials and industry analysts, the power shortages are born from a combination of factors, including the country's heavy reliance on coal, the instability of clean power, and surging production activities bolstered by pent-up demand amid economic recovery. China has moved fast in coping with the power crunch, taking a slew of measures to ensure household power supplies and keep factories of the world's second-largest economy running. The National Development and Reform Commission has urged promoting the signing of mid- to long-term coal supply contracts to secure sufficient coal, especially for household use. The country's largest utility company, the State Grid Corporation of China, has pledged to avoid power cuts or outages.